this. Okay. Just one takeaway from here, we'll focus on the left, okay?
Yeah.
Basically, the question is, right, know how to convert this to that structure. That's it. Because this one you know RS, the one we deal with it already. It's like a fish bone, okay? So one that's horizontal.
The horizontal.
Now come, you can draw. Okay, so this one. So I see, imagine cross, right? Come, maybe Oppa can draw the wedge bone and hash lines. So when I see a cross that's 2D, right, on the fish bone, what kind of projection you call this? Fischer. Good. Fischer projection. Good. Come, if you see anything you think is not right, just say, okay? Horizontal means the bonds are going to you. Okay? Vertical means going to the back of the plane. So let's demonstrate. Okay? So if Oppa, I'm the horizontal, you're vertical. Okay?
Okay.
So now you see a Fischer projection, flat, right? But what in reality is 1, 2, 3. Okay? Right. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Can cannot forget one. So you know. Then you kick something, is it?
The chair. The kick whole chair.
Oh, still not half chair. Still a full chair. Okay? Then after that, then like, which is how come I see two of these, very stress. No stress. Let's just say let me just use it, okay? Lowest priority. Then this is a PH2 lah. Let me make it easy for everybody, okay? Instead of doing this. Because you just want to learn how to do it. Right? Lowest 4, right? What's number 1? Quick.
Yeah.
1. Then
2.
Which one 2?
The one on top, yeah.
2, right? Okay, good. So what you do is, right, you try and see from a 4. Number 4 is like that, right? Remember? Oppa, 1, 2, 3. Okay? 4 is here. Then let's just say I'm Salmon, right? Salmon doesn't really see from my view. Salmon is in the middle, like that. So what I do is I don't move, he should go to this way and see through number 4. So we tweak for him, okay? So we move that like that. Okay? So when you see through 4, 4 is really pointed at you. Then we will take 1, 2, 3 clockwise. So what's clockwise? This my left hand, right? So 1, yeah. So this, right? I do this. Okay? You do like this. Then after that you do 1, 2, 3. This is then you flip because you want the last one to be at the back. One more time, The 4, you want it to go to the back, then you can do RS, right? But never mind, come to you also okay, you welcome you. Till you try to see from the CX one that's coming in front of you because it's going side. Then you just do 1, 2, 3. Then you flip and you get R. Voila. Okay. What if come, Oppa, let's give them something challenging. Okay, this is 1. Okay, let's just use numbers, easy, right? Okay. 4, 2, and 3. Come, do it.
Yeah, so it's like this, right? So it's S.
Actually, not true, sorry. I mixed up. I wanted this to be lowest priority, so you see, sometimes numbers mix you up, yeah.
Okay, the arrow's still correct, so this one is like this, right?
Yeah.
But the hydrogen points backwards.
Yeah.
So it's like, you just do R.
So imagine, right, the hydrogen is like that. What I do is, I do this. You know what I'm saying? Who doesn't get me? Very important. Even this energy. Okay, come, Oppa. Hold 2 markers. Or we use okay. Blue, okay? Come.
Okay.
Come we draw. So Fischer, right? Fischer, flat. Are you okay? Relax. Sure. Then, but what happens is really that it will go this way, okay? So if the number 4 is Oppa's left hand, so the marker pointing up, okay? What you do is you squat and then you look up. So we rotate, okay? We rotate. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can? Get it? Okay, so go back. But what if this marker here is the one, number 4, right? You tilt yourself to see through that, so remove for you. Okay? And you still do 1, 2, 3, and then you flip. That's it. Confident. Do many times, yeah, I get it, you know it. Okay? Okay, so I think that's pretty much lah. Then last part, if you need to go, just go, okay? Don't hold you back. I will just check RS. Then you know, go back to that.
So can RS, right?
Yeah. Then you just.
Okay, rotation also.
Oh, you can do rotation. He like to do rotation. I like to use RS because I'm very fast.
Yeah, you rotate, then it's like this.
So I think learning point here is, wow, because as invigilator, you see last time the code very big, 200, 300, my time 300. Then my code a bit, I don't know, when I invigilate 10 years ago. Then you see people like, they really, then I'm like, you can turn a paper, right? You don't have to turn body, you can turn the paper. Okay, that's what he means here. Turn the paper, don't redraw, turn paper, yeah. Okay?
Yeah, then it's like this. So you compare the bottom two, right?
Yeah.
Then, yeah, then you can see if this is the mirror, right?
Yeah, mirror.
This two is just the mirror image.
So mirror image means
Yeah, enantiomer.
enantiomer, okay?
Okay.
Good.
And the last one is this one. Yeah, so this one just
RS. Ta-da! Ta-da!
So it's
Ta-da!
identical.
Ta-da! Okay. Next.
That's the M.
And we are done, okay?